Hello friends! Today we will be looking at the Social Story Creator and Library application by Touch Autism. This application can be accessed via the App Store on your iPhone, your iPad, or iPod Touch. In order to download the application, head over to your App Store and type in Social Story Creator and Library and look for the image of the student holding a magenta colored book. Once you download the application, the main screen will open and look just like this. The Social Story application is free to download, but in order to have full access to all of the app's features, it requires the user to download the All Stories and Pro Upgrade version of the app. So let's head over to the settings, past this parent gate, and view upgrades. Right now we are in the free download of the app. We're going to scroll down to the All Stories and Pro Upgrade. I would recommend any user to purchase the All Stories and Pro Upgrade version of the app because it gives you access to all the pre-made Touch Autism stories, unlimited user-created stories, unlimited printing access to user-created stories, as well as sharing capabilities. The free version only allows the user to save up to 2 user-created stories and does not give you access to the full inventory of pre-made Touch Autism stories. So the free download, I'd say, is more of a pilot for the users to test out and see if they like the app and they want to move forward with a full purchase. So let's scroll back up and head back to the main screen. So I'm lucky enough to have the full download on the iPads I use at my school site, and we use this application a lot within special education, speech and language pathology, and OT. So the great thing about this app is that it is designed to help students with autism, spectrum disorder, Down syndrome, and other learning challenges view behaviors, social situations, tasks, and schedules in a more visual way. So let's go ahead and look at some of the pre-made stories the app provides by clicking on the By Touch Autism icon up here in the top middle. And you can see all of the different categories and different stories that are pre-made on the app. So the free app, which I have downloaded on my phone, allows the user to see an example of what the stories look like by offering one free story. It's called Taking Care of My Device, and it is up here at the top row in the middle. So go ahead and click on that. And you can see that we have the story and the rules chart. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the story.
I have a device. It's really cool. A device can be an iPod, iPad, or other tablet.
And all of the pre-made stories are set up just like this one. There is a visual component, a picture, and then there's text, and then there is audio. And you get through the story by just clicking on your phone.
I can do lots of fun things with my device. I might use it to play games, make art, read books, or talk.
So children with special needs, they oftentimes need more direct instruction of social skills. Teaching social skills to any child is easier and less stressful when these visual supports like these social stories are used. The social stories found in this app explain these accurate social information in an easy, manageable, and broken down way. So we're just going to click through the story as to save time. But they are all set up just like this one. And then when we get back to this screen here, you see the rules chart. Go ahead and click on that, and you can see that the rules are all broken down into very simple and easy to manage way with a visual piece, a text piece, and then an audio piece. So for example, we will click on the blue backpack that says put away with a picture of the device.
Put device away in backpack or other special place.
And it shows that picture of the backpack, it has the text put away, and it has the audio piece so the student is able to come to this screen quickly to see what the directions are and the rules for this specific task at hand. So we'll go ahead and click back again, and then we are back at the main screen. So if you wanted to create your own story, you would go to the top left corner of the page and click on the new social story icon. So we will click on that. And then go ahead and click on the green button that says add picture. And let's say our story, we were going to talk about a fire drill. And title of my story, fire drill. Click done, add page. And the first picture that we wanted to add, so we're going to go to add image or add picture. Go back to our photos. Click on the image that you would like to start with and go ahead to the text and say, we wanted to say, when there is a fire drill, there will be a loud siren. Period. Done. And then you would want to record your voice. So click the record button. When there is a fire drill, there will be a loud siren. When there is a fire drill, there will be a loud siren. So you go ahead and click stop, and then it plays it back for you, and you can decide if you would like to delete it, if you want to re-record it, or you want to keep it. So say you wanted to keep it, then you would click add page, which you see at the bottom right-hand corner. And it looks exactly the same. So you would just add your image, you would record your voice, and then you would add your text, and you would go through until you reach the end. And then once you were done, you would click exit, and then you would click save. But we are not going to save this one just to save time. And I already pre-recorded and pre-made my own social stories for fire drill. We're going to go ahead and click on it. I chose a fire drill as an example because I feel that this would be a great example of an event that I would need to explain to my students. So what is a fire drill? What does it sound like? What is expected of the students? What should they expect? How should they behave? All great things and great ways to explain this event. This is why social stories are so amazing. So we're going to go ahead and click the play story button. Today we will have a fire drill. The alarm is on. And you can see that I pre-made the story. I have my text on the bottom, I have my picture, and I have my voice recording. Stop your work when you hear the alarm. And same as the pre-made stories you just click through. Line up at the door, walk downstairs. Tap the screen, go out in order to get through the story. Okay, and now we are back. Click the back button. And all the stories that you create yourself will be saved on the bottom row and can be accessed here or at the top right-hand corner at the All Stories tab. Go ahead and click on that. And we can see all of the pre-made stories by Touch Autism. And then the fire drill story that I created is at the bottom right-hand corner. So you can access it there, or you can access it on the bottom of the page right here in this third row. You can see it, and the more that you have, the more they will be lined up at the bottom of all of the pre-made stories. So as I said earlier, I only have the free version on my iPhone, and it would be the most beneficial to buy the upgraded version for a one-time cost of $29.99 so that you have access to all of the pre-made Touch Autism stories, as well as the ability to create as many stories as you want. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful and that you can use this app with your own students in your class someday. Thank you.